O.
T-I.
O-N. Motion.
Oh, it was good. How was your day?
We did this really cool parachute lab, so it was great.
That's cool. Yeah, we were learning about motion.
Oh, motion! What's the definition for motion?
Motion is the change in position of an object over time when compared with a reference point.
Did you know everything on Earth is always moving? So even if we were standing still, we would be moving because the Earth rotates around its axis at 67,000 miles per hour. That is why we have day and night. Even so, the Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy, which is traveling at 600 kilometers per second.
Consider the following.
Oh, hey there. If you were watching me go across the screen, you were probably using a reference point to tell when I was moving and how fast I was going.
A reference point is a point that stays in place in relation to an object being observed.
Demo time.
Here we have Owen walking at a slow pace. Now he's accelerating.
Acceleration is the rate at which velocity changes over time.
To find the acceleration of something, you're going to need to know the starting speed and the ending speed and the time. An example problem is a car moving at 75 kilometers per hour comes to a stop in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration. The first step is to find the difference between 75 and 0. Because it's going down 75, the change in velocity would be negative 75 kilometers per hour. The second step is to find the equation of acceleration, which is acceleration equals the change in velocity divided by time. The third step is to plug in the numbers. A equals negative 75 kilometers per hour divided by 5 seconds. The fourth is to solve the equation. Negative 75 kilometers per hour divided by 5 seconds is negative 15 kilometers per hour per second. Don't forget the units.
Mr. Jackson, where do you work?
I work at NASA in the Aeronautics Systems Engineering branch.
What do you do and how does it relate to motion?
I conduct experiments that are meant to improve the speed and acceleration of rockets into space. Speed is improved through these experiments, and speed is the rate at which an object travels.
In order to find the speed of an object, you'd need to know the distance that an object travels and the time it took to get there. For example, if a question asks, if a car travels 500 kilometers in 5 hours, what is its average speed? First you would know speed equals the distance over time. So, the speed would be 500 kilometers, which is the distance, divided by 5 hours, which is the time. So, 500 kilometers divided by 5 hours would equal 100 kilometers per hour.
Speed is how fast an object moves, the rate it covers in a distance. Velocity is the rate an object changes